A reversed paradoxical split of the second sound occurs when there is a reversal of the normal closure sequence, with pulmonic closure occurring before aortic. During inspiration, the second sound is single, and during expiration, the second sound splits. This paradoxical splitting of the second sound may be heard when aortic closure is delayed, as in marked volume or pressure loads on the left ventricle, i.e., aortic stenosis, or with conduction defects, which delay left ventricular depolarization, i.e., left bundle branch block. Listen now to a paradoxically split second sound in a patient with left bundle branch block. Respiration is heard in the background. The split will be audible during expiration, and the second sound splitting will be narrow or become single during inspiration. The paradoxically split second sound is heard best at base left, with the diaphragm chest piece.